castle in Nova Scotia from the 13th century to the 18th century. Hi, dzień dobry, cześć. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm here in the ruined castle in Suceaw, Poland. That is the church. Yan yung simbahan. That is the town of Suceaw. 10 kilometers galing sa amin. Napaka-historic nitong castle na to na nasira during World War II. Since 12th century na rebuilt. Ano natin kung anong mayroon dito sa loob. We'll see what's inside. Start from here. Last itong Swedish invasion. Yun na yung last niya, 17th century. Kapal na mga bricks lang, oh. Ganito. Kapal ng bricks niya. Grabe. Oh, 1 metro ang kapal. Ang kanyang wall. Overlooking ito sa river. Pero yung kapal nitong wall na ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tangkal. Ang kapal. Hindi, oh. Nakapreserve na natin siya na ganito lang. Grabe. Pero kahit anong kapal, pag tinamaan ng mga canyon. See? Let's get down from here. Castle in Nova Scotia from the 13th century to the 18th century. That was before. Was finally destroyed 1794 during Swedish invasion 1657.